Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing this look here for you guys. So my brother gave me a good idea of pretty much just doing a look based off of my sign. So my birthday is on Wednesday the 20th and I am a Pisces. I'm a water sign. So he said do something with glitter and blue. So that is what I did. He gave me a really good idea and I went ahead and executed it. So yeah, this is pretty much what we're doing today. Played in some glitter, some blue shadows. I'm really loving how this looks. But yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, if you do enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know any looks that you guys would like to see me do here on my channel. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on all of my other social media platforms. That way you guys can stay updated with me on all type of looks that I do that you don't see here on YouTube. So enough chitty chat. Let's get to this video. Alright, so we're gonna start with brows. And I'm gonna be doing powder today. So I'm gonna go in with this $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. And I'm just gonna outline my brows first with this. I'm trying not to like groom my brows too much because I'm trying to ground so they could be nice and bushy and you know. So I'm just gonna take this pencil and just sketch out on the bottom, and then I'm gonna fill it in with my Gerard Cosmetics brow bar to go in the shade medium to ebony, and I'm gonna use like the middle shade. So now that to the side, you guys should already know the deal. We do one eye off camera. So I'm just gonna focus mainly on this eye, and then we'll do this eye off camera. So as always, I'm gonna take my P. Louise Rumor 2 base, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this to clean up the brow as well as prep the lid. And I'm gonna take my P. Louise brush to do this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use this ColourPop Chasing Rainbows palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is called Bring It. This one here. And I'm going to put this into the crease of blowing it upwards. I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush to do so. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Crayon Case Matte Book Palette, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with this dark blue here, and I'm going to put that right into the crease. And I'm going to take my Sigma E36 blending brush. You guys should already know, it's like my favorite blending brush ever. I'm going to use this to go ahead and deepen up that crease. Alright you guys, so we can get back to talking. My son woke up from his nap, so he was very yappy. But as you guys saw, I did my face and everything. So before he comes back and starts getting a little bit more yappier, I'm going to go with my GC Honeymoon palette. And I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my skin a little bit using the Forever Bronzer. Is that the Forever Bronzer? Yeah, the Forever Bronzer, which is this shade here. I'm just kind of like bronze up the skin a little bit. And this just kind of helps put a little bit more color into the face without like overdoing it. I love this bronzer, well, this palette in general for that purpose, because it doesn't do too much. Like, I've used bronzers where you try to put on a little bit and it just kind of like bronze up the skin too much where you're looking orange, and this doesn't do that for me. As you guys can see, like, it just gives exactly what I need, just a little bit of that color back into the skin. Blush, I'm gonna go with that center shade from, you know what, nah, I'm just gonna use the blush that's in here in the Revolution Pro HD Amplified palette. That, tap the excess off and just right there. Yes, there he goes. Yeah, baby.
Where does the number say here?
Look right there, baby. Look right there.
Oh.
I'm gonna go back into the palette. And I'm going to take the shade Extra, which is this shade here, and use that to highlight. Look at that. This highlight, oh, this palette is just beautiful. You guys, it's so freaking pretty. Alright you guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, try to give you some good stuff as much as I can. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.